क्या आप डिजिटल स्पेस में अपनी जगह बनाना चाहते हैं? डिजिटल તલંગલ ઊંઘ બ્રાન્ડ વલક આસેયા શું તમે digital space નું આપનું જગહ બનાવવા ચાહો છો? Wait, why am I talking to you in every other language other than English? But did any of the languages grab your attention? Then there is something interesting in store for you. And watch this video till the end because I have an exclusive gift for marketers and business owners. So check it out. Namaskar, I'm Saurav Jain and today I'm going to talk about a platform that is making a big impact in the Indian digital marketing scene. But before we dive into that, let me tell you why vernacular language marketing is in demand in the country. People around the country are searching for stuff in Hindi, Tamil, Gujarati and their own native languages. That means if you're running ads or producing content only in English, you are losing out on a huge chunk of the audience. So the other day, I was talking to my school friend from Coimbatore and I asked him, which platform do you use the most? He replied back saying ShareChat. Yes, ShareChat is dominating the Bharat market in terms of the number of users, especially a lot of political parties are reaching out to the vote bank through ShareChat. So why am I stressing on Bharat as opposed to India? This is because the market is broadly divided into India and Bharat. Compared to India, Bharat has purchased products online in more categories than India in the last 3 months. Rural Bharat's volume of online sales of consumer durables and electronics has now increased by 23.5%, and in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, e-commerce online orders have increased up to 90%. ShareChat already has a strong hold in Tier 2 and Tier 3 with over 32% and 55% respectively of the overall user base hailing from this market. If you look at the numbers, ShareChat has had almost the same growth that other popular apps like Instagram and Facebook. As of 2021, Instagram has about 180 million users in India, and guess the number of users ShareChat has? Yes, 180 million. ShareChat acts as a self-serve platform that is easy to use and is uniquely designed to help brands target 180 million regional language users across Bharat. So you can run ads in 15 Indian languages with ease and refine your target audience with its robust, accurate language targeting feature. It's not exactly a new app, but it has already been in the market for quite a few years, and many notable brands have had tremendous success with ShareChat advertisements. Let me give you an example of 3 such brands: Flipkart, MX Player and Vival. Flipkart went Hindi for the big $1 billion sale and exceeded their target of 40 million impressions and got total impressions of 56 million with a click-through rate of 2.4%. MX Player, to promote their show Ashram, again went Hindi and got 115 million views for their advertisements and more than 1.6 lakh shares. And Vival wanted to target the West Bengal market and went Bengali to create awareness and break myths about body washes. The advertisement garnered 6.7 million views and 70% of those watching the entire ad till the end. Further, Google, Paytm, Amazon, Disney+, Hotstar and Flipkart and other huge brands have also advertised on ShareChat. So why is this working so well? Data suggests that 88% of native language internet users in India respond to digital advertisements in their local language as compared to English, which is why users on ShareChat engage with advertisements much more with a comparatively higher CTR. Secondly, ShareChat can work on the lowest and slowest of networks, ideal for Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities and even rural India. Hence, there's much more sharing of content than WhatsApp and Instagram. To test the effectiveness of regional marketing, I tried an in-house marketing experiment. I have my digital marketing course in Hindi and in English, and I tried marketing in both languages. I set up the campaign via ShareChat ads self-serve platform, and the results were quite very impressive. While the English course that I promoted on Instagram and Facebook gave me about 30,000 impressions when I spent about 5,000 rupees, the Hindi one on ShareChat got me more than 1 lakh impression by just spending about 3,000 rupees. Triple the impressions at almost half the cost. The regional language market is huge. We are talking about 22 official languages, 780 mother tongues, 1,900 dialects and so much more. So going local right now is a great direction for your brand to go. ShareChat has been the flag bearer for local language advertisements and content in India. And with a rapidly growing user base, it is soon going to be the leading social media platform in India. So if your brand is lagging behind, then you need the regional language push. If these reasons weren't enough, then here's another one. Once you sign up on ShareChat advertisements, you will get 100% advertisements credit on your ad investment on ShareChat ads. That's right, 100% of your wallet amount will be matched. So if you invest 1,000 rupees, you get additional advertisement credits of 1,000 rupees and so on. Isn't that cool? So let's get you signed up already, shall we? It's a simple 3-step process. Visit ads.sharechat.com, create your business handle on the platform and verify your contact details. And voila, your account is all set up and you are now ready to start creating your advertisement campaigns. A couple of years ago, I predicted that vernacular language marketing is going to boom and will be the future of marketing. The future is now here.